Hello everyone, hello all the crypto and DeFi fans, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to review Unvest.io, which is the website for the cross-chain DeFi protocol for trading unvested tokens. So they are bringing on-chain liquidity to unvested tokens. They provide customization for investing contracts for project owners. Okay, so basically it's built by engineers from the world's leading technology organizations. We'll take a look at the team in a minute. It's very early guys here, so you take that into consideration. They have very good partners. So what they are doing, trying to do, of course, they build smart contracts for distribution investing, and they have this products which are called liquid vesting, liquid NFTs, and liquid lock. We'll talk more about this product. Let's just browse to the website. By the way, website looks very nice. I really like it. I like the logo, design, everything. So that also counts. So their contract will be deployed on all chains where they see native presets at scale. But first of all, it will be two chains, Ethereum and Binance. So yeah, they will bring this in quarter 3. First, we're waiting for IDO. So following IDO, they are deploying Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and the UNV token investing contracts will be available on both chains at launch. Then they will do cross-chain bridge soon after. So yeah, it's for developers, so free custom audited distribution. They will provide a full suite of visual tools, allowing to construct ideal vesting schedules for the projects and then deploy them to the chain of their choice. Basically, there will be option to unlock and transaction fees for investors that want to trade while vesting and collect those fees by staking UNV tokens. UNV token distribution. Unvest is launching with liquid vesting, meaning a low initial circulating cap and low sell pressure at each vesting milestone. This is their team. So Kieran Matthews is founder and CEO. He worked in the software industry for 10 years. He was backed SSH startup and received an unpaid unsolicited endorsement from Steve Wozniak, from co-founder of Apple. Kieran has held product management, design, and strategic positions at several publicly listed fintechs and has contracted to clients including Apple and MasterCard. Alan Suarez is a lead full stack developer. You can read more about the guys. I like that the team is real photographs, and yeah, that looks very good. And as you can see, these guys worked in major companies. Let's just read frequently asked question before we move to the pitch deck. Then it will be easier for me to explain how it works. So, team tokens team tokens will be vested over time. Team tokens will be completely locked for 18 months with no liquid vesting or early selling. Then after 18 months, team tokens will unlock at the rate of 10% per month. Okay, this will be done using traditional vesting. We are talking about their tokens. Okay, so liquid vesting is most suitable for early investor tokens, not team tokens, and I will explain in a minute. Are there any lockup periods for any investors? Yes, 92% of early investor tokens will be locked for the first 3 months following token generation event. After 1 year, and all early investors tokens will be in circulation. Okay, what's the purpose of holding UNV tokens? So the total addressable market for token pre-sales already amounts to hundreds of billions of USD or equivalent value, forecasted to grow to over $1 trillion in the next decade. So investors in projects that use UNWV's contracts can sell their allocations early and pay a fee for doing so. This fee would be competitive with OTC desks that charge upwards of 5%, sometimes up to 20% per transaction. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the top of the page and let's load pitch deck. It's pretty easy to understand from the pitch deck. So remember, I'm not the financial advisor. Always do your own research. Okay, check everything for yourself and make a decision. So Unvest. I really love this logo. It's really good. It's really cool, you know? Yeah. So, the cross-chain DeFi marketplace for locked and unvested tokens. Huge gains this cycle are being made in pre-sales. Investors access tokens in exchange for accepting lockups and vesting schedules lasting from 6 up to 24 months. Okay? So investors make huge paper gains, but cannot trade their tokens. Many tokens may not vest until the next bear market, wiping out gains. Project teams are pulled in opposing directions. Half of the investor class want long lockup periods, while others want instant liquidity. The solution is Unvest. They make tradable vesting tokens the norm by building free vesting tools for founders, and their vesting contracts include built-in infrastructure to support the secure transfer of unvested tokens while protecting founders. So why should vesting tokens be tradable? They already are, actually. OTT desks already exist. They just add risk and overhead and are relatively inflexible. So token owners can take profits early. Buyers are able to access tokens below market price. You can see on this chart, and yeah, just look at this chart as well. Liquid asset and UNV locked asset. The market price of underlying liquid asset is not disrupted. Teams still get the benefit of vesting schedules. New market efficiencies are unlocked. So let's talk more now about their project. So liquid vesting. So it is completely trustless on-chain trading of locked tokens for new projects at IDO stage, so initial DEX offering stage. So Unvest liquid vesting, how does it work? At token generation event, a project owner sends their tokens to our audited contract along with recipient addresses for their investors and few other vesting details. The contract mints liquid vesting tokens representing the rights to the original tokens divided by installment. For example, 3 months, 6 months. These are sent to investors and can be freely traded on their own market pairs. On maturity, the buyer holding the liquid vesting tokens can redeem them one-to-one for the original unlocked token via the liquid vesting contract. Any project can incorporate customizable liquid vesting into their IDO. Yes, they are open. So Q2, Q3, 2021 liquid vesting contract on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. So this, guys, how it's gonna look. Of course, it's beta version, so yeah, take that into consideration. But UNV token launches with beta liquid vesting. Token holders can trade the rights to their locked for 1 to up to 12 months UNV on day 1. Locked UNV cannot be dumped on unlocked UNV trading pairs. Okay? So yeah, I really like that idea. I think it's very unique, and yeah, this has great potential. But okay, let's look at the Unvest NFTs. So on-chain trading for locked tokens wrapped in NFTs for new projects at IDO stage. So liquid vesting NFT contract on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, fully transferable locked tokens allocations with support for linear block-by-block vesting plus flexible claim times can be deployed with existing NFTs. Their other product is Liquid Lock. It's planned for Q3. So Liquid Lock contract on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Liquid Locks allow existing and circulating projects to raise capital and awareness without dumping on their communities. Support both liquid vesting tokens and NFTs. Okay, it's like an example. In April, Rally and CoinList were able to sell 22 million in RLY to over 40,000 new holders at a 30% markdown to compensate for the RLY tokens being locked up for 12 months linear release. So, Unvest off-chain token owners sign over asset rights to Unvest. This happens off-chain with several methods for on-chain verification and due diligence. Unvest mints tokens and NFTs representing the rights, the rights to these assets These are sent to the token owner and can be freely traded. On maturity, the buyer holding the tokens or NFT can redeem them with Unvest and receive the underlying liquid asset. Unvest Marketplace, so this is more or less how it's gonna look like. All Unvest token and NFT in one place. It will be deployed in Q3 2021. Take into consideration that this is concept UI, it can change a little bit, okay? So launch timeline, this is what we want to know. So angel round is now closed. In May, there was a seed and private rounds. Also full website launch. Next, there will be launch pads plus token generation event plus beta plus listings on Uniswap, Pancake, Texas, okay? And Q3 open smart contract plus marketplace launch. Okay, this is the team. Some advisors here as well, I guess. Okay, UNV token. So it has like 3 characteristics. So utility, fees to access certain features on the UNV platform can only be paid using UNV tokens. So that's very good. That's how we should do it. Staking DeFi, UNV tokens can be staked in order to receive platform fees. Project may elect to add fees to initiate liquid vesting. Later on, they have it in their roadmap. UNV will act as a governance token, allowing community to determine key tokenomics and platform parameters. So supply 1 billion UNV. Initial market cap will be $893K at launch. Then the angel is $0.0125. Seed the same, private $0.0225, and at launchpad listing it will be 0.028. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go to the light paper now. If you are more technical, you need technical details, I strongly advise you to read the whole light paper. We will take a look at the some key features, key things here. Okay, so the roadmap release, these are all the products that we talked about. The off-chain OTC tokens are planned for Q4. So UNV token liquid vesting beta. So early investors in UNV are subject to 9 or 12-month vesting schedule. Depending on the round, tokens vest in 3 or 4 quarterly, once every 3 months installments. Okay, so yeah, the future rights to UNV are issued in token generation events in the form of 6 different ERC20 tokens. So there are 6 different tokens, and it depends. The first one is 1 month locked, and the last one 12 month locked UNV. So on day 1, each investor sends their small unlocked allocation UNV as well as the appropriate quantity of liquid vesting tokens. Okay, depending on the round, investor can instantly trade and transfer these tokens. Great idea, guys. Yeah, I really like it. So you can see all the diagrams here. Let's read more about this liquid vesting, because it's essential here. So the contract used to enable liquid vesting for the UNV token will form the basis of a general purpose smart contract that allows any project to incorporate customizable liquid vesting into their IDO. Okay, so to facilitate trading on liquid vesting project tokens, at least 2 types of markets will be supported: Uniswap pools and traditional style on-chain order books via OX. Okay, so yeah, the light paper is very detailed. Yeah, if you are technical, you want to know details, I strongly advise you to read the whole light paper. Okay, the also Unvest DAO, so decentralized autonomous organization, is governed by governance token. Unlocked UNV will serve as the governance token for the Unvest DAO. Okay, all token owners will be able to submit and vote on proposals using open source governance tools. They also have Medium. If you go to the main page to the bottom, Yeah, you'll find the links. So let's visit their Twitter. Let's see their Twitter. The Twitter is usually where you look for updates for news. They have a good amount of observers. Yeah, and a lot of content. No, maybe not a lot because no, it's still fresh. But yeah, there you can go to Medium to read more about them. So about the like liquid vesting and other protocols and contracts, tokenomics as well. Yeah, let's go back and see the tokenomics now, guys. Okay. So max supply 1 billion, listing price. Yeah, this we've seen this, but here you have like the more detailed version and all the details, including vesting and all the rounds. Let's see the products overview to sum it up. So Crypto's killer app has always been fundraising. From the Mastercoin and Ethereum offerings to the IDOs and EOs that followed, the bulk of attention, activity, and volume in the cryptocurrency space has been focused on newly launched tokens and altcoins. But over the last decade, our industry has introduced concepts like funding rounds, lockups, and investing, but really playing catch up to standard venture capital model. So now it's time to do things that were impossible before. They made these vesting products that will go further than traditional finance. Okay, so that's what Unvest is dedicated to build. So liquid vesting launching mid-July, so very soon. This is like the screenshots of how it will look like more or less. So early investors can sell their tokens before they vest without dumping on the market. Buyers can take long-term positions below market price. Unlike traditional OTC over the counter, a single allocation can be traded an unlimited number of times. Free to use for founders, investors only pay a fee if they sell during vesting. Okay. So liquid NFTs, on-chain trading of locked tokens wrapped inside of NFTs. Support block by block linear vesting, now transferable for the first time, entirely composable, compatible with rental markets, fractionalization, etc. Additional utility can be added to project NFTs after vesting is completed. Marketplace, so featured listing, promotions, exclusive auctions, buy locked allocations, popular tokens like Flow, Casper, Clover, Covalent, and more. Access tokens at below market rates. Trade and track liquid vesting NFTs. Off-chain liquid log, we already covered that. Yeah, so yeah, I love the website. They also have like this brand kit. You can download logos, all assets. Very nice. Let's see the graphic and explainers because yeah, they've done a good job with that as well. So yeah, this is like DeFi Moonsheet. So DeFi project at that cap, like say it will be 2x from the like listing price, and you'll see the potential here. And a sample project that done that. So yeah, guys, we have a huge potential here. Okay. So initial price, like I said, is 0.028, circulating supply 32 million, 1 billion total. This is their NFT moonsheet. So yeah, you can see the like examples, and let's say that's 10x, so 9 million market cap, and you have an example of project which reached that threshold. Okay. Yeah. So they also have huge Telegram. I advise you to go there. You can like talk with the owner, CEO. Kieran Match is very active. So yeah, let's read this one of his posts. So like yield farming is cool, but when APIs is really high, your token dumps because it's inflationary as fuck. But what if reward was in the form of liquid vesting token? So you still get the reward, but it's just insanely time delayed. But you can still transfer the token. Kinda cool. And like you get money but it's locked in a magic box, but you can sell the magic box. So yeah, he explained it really well, I guess. So if you want to know more, if you have some questions, this is the place to go, guys. Yeah, and look, they already have like 4,100 members, so that's a lot. Okay, guys, I guess that's it. They have, yeah, they have. I've shown you Twitter, I've shown you Medium, I've shown you Telegram. Obviously, if you click the launch up, it's not live, but no, it will be soon. So go to Telegram if you want to know. If you want to know, have all the updates. I really like the project. I can see the attention to detail on the website and basically everywhere. I can see that they have real team, which I really like, and they have some unique features that are I guess revolution. It's like a small revolution, in terms of vesting. So I really like that idea, guys. Be sure to check the website and everything. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon on the next video.